Hey, good morning, everybody. So we're here at the property, and we're checking it out. We're getting it inspected and see if there's any pests or structural issues. So pour yourself a cup of coffee and sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Up right through the oak trees, right inside.
This will probably be about the darkest spot. Yeah, this goes about 6 acres all the way back. These look like they could be pinholes from termites.
Okay.
So kind of peel this back a little bit. It's pretty soft underneath there. Yeah, those are termites in there. Now, what that means, like, please don't waste my time.
Yeah,
If you're not interested, just tell me you're not interested.
Yeah, Facebook Marketplace is. There he is. He's actually doing work. I know, right? People, they'll never believe it.
What?
We gotta get it on camera.
Yeah, he's actually working.
Yeah.
It's pretty impressive.
So. Yeah, and you can feel this is that soft wood they like. That shouldn't be. You know, that shouldn't crumble like that. It's pretty bad termite damage in there. They ate a good chunk of that out.
Here's Kenny. Kenny looks like he's going to a 7th grade dance.
That's right.
What would you be looking to do as far as like wiring goes? Because it's got a lot of. I don't know what that is, but that is shaped really cool.
I would.
Oh yeah, there's scat all upstairs.
I know.
It is bright out here. Hey, so kind of an overview of what they found out. This is about a week later after the inspection. So they did find a good bit of termite damage, and they found some like little beetle holes. But we had a structural guy come over and inspect, and the beams are still solid. They're salvageable, and so we're still going to move forward with trying to buy this place. I have to build a business plan, because in order to get it financed, we have to turn it into a farm. So an operating farm, which we're pretty excited about. We've had some electricians come over, family members of mine, so thank you guys for helping and checking out, just make sure all the wires are good. We got some rewiring to do, got some lights to put up, but we should have power relatively quickly after we purchase it. My next step is it's kind of on me. It's applying for this loan and starting a farm on this piece of property. So it's pretty exciting stuff. Thank you guys for watching, staying tuned. As always, have a good morning.